I'm Ankitha and I'll be reading Colors of the Nature. I see a blue butterfly waving goodbye. I see a yellow bee drinking a cup of tea. I see a red fish in a dish. I see a green frog playing with a puppy dog. I see an orange duck wishing me good luck. I see a violet flower dancing with the caterpillar. I see a grey and black cat wearing an orange hat. I see a grey and brown mouse hiding in a pink house. I see a red and black fox wearing purple socks. I see a green grasshopper reading a black and white newspaper. I see a black and purple goat sailing in a red boat. I see a green and brown crocodile giving me a big smile. I see a black and blue snake eating a slice of cake. I see a red and yellow hen writing with a pen. I see a black and orange tiger standing in the water. I see with my two black eyes all the colors as they fly.